look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different.
So, makeup is done. I am now that setting spray. I'm gonna take these curls out and see what we have. Okay, so you can leave them like this, but I'm not gonna. I want that nice waviness. So what I do is I take one of these brushes. I take one of these brushes. I think they're blow dry brushes, I'm not sure. But what I'm going to do is kind of just grab from like ear down and then lightly just brush through. And that's the kind of wave I want, like nice. My memory card gets full so quick. So annoying. Okay, so, and also my battery dies on this camera really quick. So I'm just gonna like brush through real gently. Oh, I love my bangs. I feel like they just look good. Like they just suit that hairstyle. So the only thing is I just want more volume here. Like I want that real nice volume. But you know what? For a day in, I'm pretty happy with this. It has been a minute, like a hot minute, since I've done my makeup. So yeah, this is like my full glam. I don't wear lashes, I just don't wear them. Because kind of the reason I don't wear them is because Olivia will just pull them off and I don't want her to get them on her or like eat them or something. And they just annoy me. Like, is it just me or do lashes annoy you? They just annoy me. I can never get them on right and they just bug me. So I am trying to learn to just be happy with my lashes and just like curl them. Like I use a curler, and then as you saw I will just put mascara on, and literally I just put mascara on and that's it. I'm just trying to learn how to love my naturalness, I suppose. But this is like as full glam as we're gonna get, guys. Like this is real glam for me. I never ever wear this much makeup. Let me just turn the brightness down a bit so you can see a bit better. Yeah, so this is about as full glam as we are going to get today. Right, so it's actually it's 10 to 11 and I haven't had my breakfast yet and I haven't had my tablets. I need to have my antibiotics. So I think we're just going to go downstairs and get a cup of tea and just get on with the day, I suppose. Woo, it's so much fun. I love filming these videos. Let me know down below if you like these kind of videos. I love them. They're just so chilled and relaxed, and that's the vibe I just want to go for. I think that is just my vibe now is just relaxed. I'm just such a relaxed person. I think you need to be, like, you just do, otherwise you're just going to go mad with everything going on, because it is pretty bad. The reason I'm doing this video as well is because we're in lockdown. So if you are around Manchester, Yorkshire area, we're actually in lockdown. So I just felt like filming a day in, because it's actually Saturday. We're not going anywhere. Probably go for a walk because we're allowed. But that's it. Because I actually really want to go IKEA. I want to get something for my little garden. We actually haven't got a garden. I haven't showed you guys. We haven't got a garden. We've got like a patio outside, but it's enough for now. So I want to get like a little table and chairs and make it really cute out there. But yeah, I just don't think it's a good idea going to IKEA now. I think you guys seem to prefer the home style vlogs, like cleaning and Olivia and being a mummy and stuff like that, so that's what I'm going to stick to. So please subscribe if you haven't already. I look at my analytics daily, and I've seen a lot of you guys are not subscribed, but you watch me. Why? Please subscribe. It helps my channel so much. Once we get to 1,500, which I know we will, once we get to 1,500, I'm going to do a huge giveaway, and it's going to be massive. It's going to be everything that I use in my videos. It's going to be pamper stuff, like sheet masks and hair stuff, and maybe even like a curling wand or something like that. So just please subscribe, and I love you guys. I'm going to take you downstairs, and I'm going to show you guys the prints that I got from Desenio. Now, they were gifted to me, and I'm like still in shock. Literally, I'm still in shock that a brand like that wanted to work with me, and I've like got under 1,500 subscribers. It's just ridiculous. But I put my work in, I suppose. So anyway, they wanted to work with me, and they sent me 2 prints, and you guys have gone mental. Like I'm blown away. Like, I would have gone in even more if I knew that you guys wanted them. Like, I just kind of thought maybe 1 or 2, but like, you guys, the sales, like literally, they're popping through my phone all the time. And I'm like, you honestly, obviously want these prints. So I'm going to share my discount code again. It does end on the 9th, which is tomorrow. So it's Saturday when you'll probably watch this. I don't know, I might get this up tonight, I don't know, but whatever day you watch it, look and make sure it's not the 9th, because if it is the 9th, it ends. So today is like your last day. So I will try and get this up tonight, and then you can like go for it. But like tomorrow it ends, so go and get them. They are so pretty. I will show you them downstairs. They're so nice. They're so affordable. The frames are stunning, and you can even get the prints and then get the frames if you want to, like elsewhere, because my code excludes frames, personalised prints and handmade. So like honestly, they're so nice. I'm gonna kit my whole home out, like my lounge even more. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to vlog it, it's going to be so much fun. I'm going to get some for the kitchen. I've also been given another gift card, so I'm going to be getting more, and I'm hoping to order them today or tomorrow, because it's got to be approved first. I'm waiting for them to approve it, the work I've done, and then I'm going to order more, and then I'm going to choose some, and they're going to come, and hopefully we can do my kitchen or maybe my lounge. I think I'm going to focus on the lounge, and then when I get more, do the kitchen. But I love them. They make me so happy, because they're quotes as well. You can get quotes, you can get prints like flowers, you can get abstract prints, you can get anything. I think you can get like literally anything. I'll link their website down below for you guys. Please go and check them out. Some of the prints are literally as cheap as £4. It's insane. So if you've got like a beauty room, because I know a lot of you guys that watch me do YouTube and blogging, especially blogging, so like if you're a blogger and you want to create a nice flat lay, these prints are amazing. So I'll link them down below. You could have a nice flat lay on a table and then put little things around it and do your blog post like that. Or if you're a YouTuber and you want to like kit your beauty room out, the prints are just beautiful, and they are such good quality, and I'm not just saying that. Literally, they are such good quality. So that's that. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, just chilled videos, and yeah, let's go downstairs.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
You are in the spotlight, I am hidden. Reaching out for your hands, can you feel me now? Trying to give a sign that I'm right here. 'Cause when I am without you, I am fading out. And I can see in your eyes all your secrets, but you don't seem to care about mine. Still I can't be without you, I'm falling without you. Can you feel me now? So I've been hoping for a new melody, just to get me some kind of remedy. And I think I found it in your mind, but the way that you know me is not right, not right. The way that you know me is not right, not right. All of my emotions are open like the ocean, but you don't take a second to get me right. Oh, you painted a picture up in your head.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave
Okay guys, so we've just got back home. Don't be a noob. We've just got back. It's I think it's about 4, maybe a little bit more than 4, and we're knackered. We didn't even like go to the shop like we said we were gonna and get some ice cream. We're gonna be good because like I said, we're going on a diet. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and get it edited and try and get it up for tonight, so you're watching it on the same day, because I just feel like it's a little bit more, a bit more closer. You're so tall, it's hard to get us all in. Hello. I feel like it makes me feel a little bit closer to you guys when I get it up on the same day. So yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here.
Yay.
Look at her face.
I know.
Can you sing this to them?
Do what?
Sing an outro.
Goodbye, have a good time.
Goodbye, my lovers. Goodbye, my subscribers. Oh! This is what you have to deal with an 8-month.
She's gonna be here now.
Liam, sing to them.
No.
They find you funny. They always say, can Liam be in...
Ah! That one hurt.
Can Liam be in the vlogs as well?
That hurt, that one.
Oi.
Little monster.
They always say, can Liam be in the vlogs as well? This footage in. I will. Ow! Oh my god.
Goodbye, my lover.
Olivia.
Goodbye, my friend.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your color,